Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background on a video. So just follow me and follow the steps. And if you want to try Canva Pro for free, the link will be in the description. So let's get started. First of all, go and log into your Canva account. Then click on upload to upload your video. So click on it. For me, I will choose this one. Click open, then let's select the video. Okay, let's arrange the video, let's make it fit. I know. So after that, click on it to be selected and click on edit, and you need to click on background remover. As you can see, click on it and wait until it's finished. And as you can see, the background has been removed. Let's play the video. You can add a studio behind you if you want. Let's say go to elements and type in studio. For example, studio background. And let's say this one, for example. Make it look fit. Then click on position and like this. As you can see, I think it looks good. It's not that bad. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.